Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building connection between your arms and torso. This prevents an early release. First, take a square stance with slight knee flex and get 55% weight on your lead foot. Make controlled 1/2 swings, deliberately hinging the wrists and holding the angle. Tempo should feel about 3-to-1 backswing to downswing. Use a tee under your trail armpit for 10 reps to feel the arm glued to the body. Once done, pause and note the preserved wrist hinge and slower rhythm. Now you focus on sequencing, the why behind a shortened swing. Pause at the top for 2 counts, then initiate the downswing with your hips. The shoulders and arms must follow, not lead. Keep your lead arm extended and preserve roughly 30 degrees of wrist angle through the first 60% of the downswing to prevent casting. Place a towel under both arms and do 20 slow swings, concentrating on rotation and connection rather than trying to swing faster. This rebuilds the correct timing and keeps the club on plane. Finish by committing to a full follow-through. Clear the hips and let your chest face the target so the club head naturally releases late. Make a habit of returning to 3/4 backswings if the overswing creeps back. Shorter backswing builds consistent sequencing. Practice the towel and pause at top drills daily for 2 weeks, then graduate length. If things go wrong, video yourself from down the line. Compare frames to catch early casting or shoulder over rotation. Then repeat the specific drill that corrects that fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.